हेलो एवरीवन आज ਦੀ ਵੀਡੀਓ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਚੈਪਟਰ 1 ਦੇ 2 ਮਾਰਕਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨਸ ਡਿਸਕਸ ਕਰਾਂਗੇ ਫਰਸਟ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਇਜ਼ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਦ ਲੀਸਟ ਨੰਬਰ when divided by 12 16 and 24 leaves remainder 7 in each case means ਆਪਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇੱਕ ਐਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਲੀਸਟ ਨੰਬਰ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਨੰਬਰ ਨੂੰ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰੀਏ 12 16 ਤੇ 24 ਨਾਲ ਤਾਂ 7 ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡਰ ਆਏ ਓਕੇ ਇਨ ਦਿਸ ਕੇਸ ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਟੂ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਦ LCM of 12 16 and 24 ਓਕੇ जो भी LCM ਆਏਗਾ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਵਿੱਚ 7 ਐਡ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ ਓਕੇ ਬਿਕਾਜ਼ 7 ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡਰ ਆ ਰਿਹਾ ਹਰ ਕੇਸ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਸੋ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ ਇਸ ਕੁਐਸਚਨ ਨੂੰ LCM of 12 ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨ ਲਈ ਤੁਸੀਂ 12 ਨੂੰ ਲਿਖੋਗੇ 2 into 2 into 3 ਓਕੇ ਪ੍ਰਾਈਮ ਫੈਕਟਰਾਈਜੇਸ਼ਨ ਕਰ ਦਾਂਗੇ 16 ਕੈਨ ਬੀ ਰਿਟਨ ਐਜ਼ 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 and 24 can be written as 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 8 3s are 24 okay LCM ਲਈ ਆਪਾਂ 2 ਦੀ ਹਾਈਐਸਟ ਪਾਵਰ ਲੈ ਲਾਂਗੇ 2 raised to power 4 and 3 2 raised to power 4 is 16 16 into 3 will be equals to 48 okay so LCM अपने को आ गया 48 LCM is 48 and we have to add 7 so 55 will be the least number which when divided by 12 16 and 24 and it will leave the remainder 7 okay. Question number 17 is two numbers are in the ratio 2:3. Find their HCF if LCM is 180. Okay. मान लो दो numbers ने 2x ते 3x. Okay. If we find the HCF of these two numbers and LCM of these two numbers, HCF की होएगा दोनों दा common which is x. LCM will be least common multiple which is 6x. Okay. But according to question LCM 180 है. If we solve this x will be equals to 30 okay so HCF जो है वो x है x is 30 so HCF will be 30 now question number 18 is explain why these two are composite numbers okay first is 2 cross 3 cross 5 plus 5 आप ना जो 5 कॉमन निकाल सकते हैं okay so this will be equals to cross 3 cross 1 plus 1 so 5 3 2s are 6 plus 1 so this will be 5 into 7 into 1 so it can be written as product of three numbers okay so this is a composite number this 5 into 7 into 11 plus 7 into 5 ਤਾਂ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦੋਨਾਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ 7 into 5 common ਆ ਰਿਹਾ so this will be 11 plus 1 so 7 into 5 into 12 so it can be written as product of three numbers and 12 can also split it can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 okay so एक composite number होएगा next question is if HCF of 65 and 117 is expressible in the form 65 and minus 117 find the value of n okay here two numbers are given 65 and 117 okay we have to find the HCF of these two numbers we know that 65 can be written as 5 into 13 and 117 can be written as 13 into 9 okay so HCF की होएगा है ना दोनों दा common factor so HCF 13 आ गया so HCF is 13 but according to question HCF जो है that is 65 and minus 117 if we solve this we will get 1 2 3 130 is equals to 65n implies n is equals to 130 divided by 65 we will get 10 5 and this will be 2 65 to the 130 okay so n is 2 next question is find the HCF of 6 12 and 13 14 using prime factorization सब तो पहला आप इन्होंने प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम्स लिखांगे 3 6 12 ਨੂੰ 6 12 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 17 okay and 13 14 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 73 अगर तुहानू प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन नहीं लिखना आंदा तो तुसी सिंपली इनू इस तरह सॉल्व करके लिखोगे सो HCF की होएगा हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर केड़ा आ रहा है 3 into 3 into 2. 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. So 18 is the HCF of these two numbers. Next question is question number 21. Express 50-50 as the product of its prime factors. Is it unique? So 50-50 नो प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम फैक्टर्स लिखना है ताकि 5 दे टेबल ते आ जाएगा 1010. Again on 5 it will be 202. Again on 2 it will be 101. Okay, so this can be written as 5 into 5 into 2 into 101. Okay, is it unique? Yes, it is unique. Okay, so next is question number 22. Show that the numbers 231 and 296 are not co-prime. Co-prime numbers जिन्हां दा HCF 1 आए. Not co-prime that means इन्हां दोनों दा HCF है जो वो 1 नहीं आएगा. Some other factor will be there. Okay, 231 can be written as 231. It is divisible by 3. Okay, 7 3s are 21, 7 3s are 21, then 7. So factors will be 7 into 3 into 11. Okay, 396. 396 थी अगर आप प्राइम फैक्टराइजेशन करांगे दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. Okay, so HCF will be 11 into 3 which is 33. 33 is not equals to 1. So hence prove these are not co-prime numbers. And we will discuss 3 mark questions. Okay, first question is find HCF and LCM of 404 and 96 to verify that HCF into LCM is equals to product of numbers. Okay, first of all we have to find HCF and LCM of these two numbers. 404 can be written as 2 into 2 into 101 prime factorization नाल आप लिख लिया. Okay, this can be written as product of prime numbers. 96 can be written as 2 2s are 4 2s are 8 2s are 16 2s are 32 3s are 96. Okay, what is HCF? HCF will be 4. Okay, what about LCM? LCM will be 101 into 2 raised to power 5 into 3. After solving we will get 9696. Okay, so HCF आ गया थोड़े कोल 9696 और HCF आ गया थोड़े कोल 4 एंड LCM आ गया 9696. अगर आप इन्हां दोनों दी प्रोडक्ट करते हैं आंसर विल बी 38,784. Okay, and if we multiply two numbers 404 by 96 answer will be same 38,784. so hence prove that जो numbers है उन्हां दी product equal होएगी HCF into LCM दे. So question number 24 is an army contingent of 678 soldiers is to march behind an army band of 36 members in a Republic Day parade. The two groups are to march in the same number of columns. What is the maximum number of columns they can march? So total number of soldiers are 678. अगर आप इन्होंने प्रोडक्ट ऑफ प्राइम नंबर्स लिखिए दिस विल बी इक्वल्स टू 2 into 3 into 1 13. ओके, और नंबर ऑफ आर्मी बैंड are 36. 36 can be written as product of prime numbers like this. Okay, 3 3s are 9 9 4s are 36. For maximum number of columns we have to find the HCF. Okay, HCF की होएगा highest common factors. So this will be 6. 3 2s are 6. Okay, so 6 will be the answer. And next question is question number 25. On a morning walk, 3 persons step off together and their step measure 40 centimeter, 42 centimeter and 45 centimeter respectively. What is the minimum distance each should walk so that each can cover same distance in the complete steps. Okay, ਜਦੋਂ minimum ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਆ ਜਾਏ then we have to find the LCM. Okay, so ਪਹਿਲੇ ਆਪਾਂ 40 ਨੂੰ product of prime numbers ਲਿਖ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. 40 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. Okay, then 42 can be written as 2 into 3 into 7. 45 can be written as 3 into 3 into 5. Okay, LCM की हो जाएगा 2 raised to power 3 into 5 into 3 raised to power 2 into 7. 2 2s are 4 2s are 8. 7 5s are 35. 3 3s are 9. ओके इन्होंने तीनों की प्रोडक्ट की हो जाएगी 2520 सेंटीमीटर्स. इफ वी कन्वर्ट इट इनटू किलोमीटर्स सो आंसर विल बी 0.0252 kilometers. So next question is question number 26. A sweet shopkeeper prepares 396 gulab jamun and 342 rasgullas. He packs them into containers. Each container consists of either gulab jamun or rasgulla, but have equal number of pieces. Find the number of pieces he should put in each box so that the number of boxes are least. Okay, means ਗੁਲਾਬ ਜਾਮੁਨ और रसगुल्ला ਨੂੰ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਸ ਤਰ੍ਹਾਂ ਅਰੇਂਜ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਇਕੁਅਲ ਨੰਬਰ ਆਫ ਪੀਸਿਸ ਆਨ ਹਰ ਕੰਟੇਨਰ ਵਿੱਚ ਔਰ ਮਿਨੀਮਮ ਬਾਕਸਿਸ ਲੱਗਣ. ਓਕੇ, for this we have to find HCF. Okay, so 396 can be written as product of prime numbers 2 into 3 into 3 into 11. 342 can be written as 2 into 3 into 3 into 19. So HCF की हो जाएगा HCF will be 2 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9 2s are 18. So 18 will be the answer. Now question number 27 is find the largest possible positive integer that divides 125, 162, 259 and leaving remainders 5, 6 and 7 respectively. Okay, means ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਕ ਐਵੇਂ ਦਾ ਲੀਸਟ ਪੋਜ਼ਿਟਿਵ ਇੰਟੀਜਰ ਫਾਈਂਡ ਕਰਨਾ ਹੈ. ਜਦੋਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਉਸ ਨੂੰ 125 ਨਾਲ ਡਿਵਾਈਡ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ 5 ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡਰ ਰਹੇ, 162 ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ 6, 259 ਨਾਲ ਕਰੀਏ ਤਾਂ 7. ਓਕੇ, ਸੋ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਆਪਾਂ ਰਿਮਾਈਂਡਰ ਨੂੰ ਮਾਈਨਸ ਕਰ ਲੈਂਦੇ ਹਾਂ. ਸੋ ਦਿਸ ਵਿਲ ਬੀ 120, 156, 252. Okay, now we have to find the HCF of these three numbers. So 120 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. 156 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 13. And 252 can be written as 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7. HCF की हो जाएगा 2 into 2 into 3. 12. So 12 will be the answer.